Dadtech&Rc. Today we're out at the lake trying out our new setup. We've just about got it working sort of, near enough how we want it. It's been a hell of an issue trying to get the prop that we got for it to run. It was a little bit heavy with the previous speed controller, so what we've had to do is get a slightly smaller, lighter budget speed controller. It did say waterproof, but we've used one in the holiday buggy project. Little splash of water and it burnt it straight out. So what I've done is I've used heat sink silicone on the underside of the printed circuit board inside, and sealed around the edge of the heat sink, and hopefully that will help sink away some more of the heat and stop the moisture getting in between the heat sink and the circuit board. Same with the water cooling. We've used the same heatsink silicone to help ensure that there is a good contact between the cooling pipe and the engine. We've also tweaked the timing a little bit more on the motor, and we've had to sort of go for a slightly smaller battery that's rated at 1500 milliamps. But after testing it, if I remember correctly, I think the best result we got out of it was about 1150. But they are cheap budget batteries. I mean, for the price I can't really complain, and it gives you enough run time with a couple of batteries. So what we did, we got a 32mm prop with a 1.6 pitch. I don't know if you can see from here, but it's quite an extreme prop. It takes quite a long time to hook up, and with the previous speed controller there was no hope. So but what I'll do is I'll show you run in a second, and I hope you enjoy.